My name is Mousree, and today we will learn how to make this cool game in Scratch tree. This is a character in the game. You can see this. You can make it in the form of cat. You can use T-Rex dinosaur image, but I'm just using cat. It's more like the Google T-Rex game, the Google Chrome T-Rex game. So here is a cat which is moving, and here is a. I can use more facilities also with the help of my previous games. Here you can see that the floor is not moving. So let's see that one thing that you can see, just pause and how to wait for. And guys, here we can see that a cat which is just moving, and this is the code, only code that the floor is just moving. So for my hand disk, I use these two sprites. One is that I made the sprite like this, and I just duplicate it. One is that this is a speed, and all the here is a jump, here is my wiggle, not necessary, and here is a speed. I use the speed one. Okay, here, and this is the code of it, and here is the one code. So I'm just going to save it. Yeah, and then so just go to the next code. Yeah, this is the next code, and let's go to our code. You can use this tab, like it's just moving. So let's go to another one. So guys, now, yeah, so let's make a game. Oh, so now this is a cat sprite. Here is the sprite of the game. So just need more. Okay. This is what. Yeah. So now just go to the cactus. I can make the cactus. Let's make it like this. It's very easy. You can download your ones from here. Is the option of upload it sprite. So now this is the code of the cactus, and this is the code. The game over. It's very easy. But one thing is here also like this. And let's go to the cactus. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel. Let's see. Yeah. Now go to the game over. And now let's go to the code of the cat. Yeah, and you can see that it's just like this. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you later.